Hello, my name is Lauren Berg and I will be presenting on my weather observations for January 27th, 2019. I do not yet have my weather observation kit, so I will be using the local weather for temperature readings and for humidity readings, and my phone compass, which may or may not be accurate. I did not set it to true north settings, so take any observations with a grain of salt. My observation site is just east of North Pole, Alaska, just off of Judy Lane, at 64 degrees, 45 minutes, and 12.4 seconds north, and 147 degrees, 19 minutes, 12.8 seconds west. As you can see, the North Pole area is in a valley and is surrounded and filled with small bodies of water, most often lakes, streams, and sloughs. To the south and southwest is the large Tanana River. At times the Tanana River can be either at full raging river stream, sort of a mode, in which it could almost be high enough to swallow up roads, or it can be at a point where the dry lake bed is visible, often as a gravel, and small streams are mostly what's running through it. I am located in the interior, and as such the weather can be highly variable, with more brutal winters and more hot summers, and at times the weather can even vary between years about the hottest and coldest temperatures. My indoor readings were taken in my home, just off of Judy Lane. The indoor temperature was 68 degrees Fahrenheit, or 20 degrees Celsius, as read by our thermometer. As for outdoor observations, I was oriented at 174 degrees south as a corrected compass direction according to my phone. The uncorrected compass direction I received was at 155 degrees southeast, with a magnetic declination of 19 degrees as per the Fairbanks and North Pole area. My outdoor observations for the day were the temperature readings, as according to the local news, was 9 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 12.778 degrees Celsius. There was low humidity, and according to the Beaufort number and my own finger testing, the Beaufort number was at about 1. There was a slight bit of wind that I could feel and could notice in the smokestacks around me, but there was no movement in the leaves and twigs in the area. The wind was coming from about 14 degrees north. Cloud cover was about a quarter to a half, and the clouds included in this picture were about there was an alto stratus layer kind of surrounding the entire horizon. It was sort of a white mist that surrounded the entire area and faded slowly into this blue, dark blue color that you can see in the image. Outside of this barrier was what I considered to be altocumulus clouds, even though I'm not sure, because they are very wispy, but at the same time they are sort of gathered. I just figured they were altocumulus because they were kind of in the vicinity, and they were moving quite quickly overhead at about towards 343 degrees north. So there must have been quite a high wind up above. There was no precipitation. There hadn't been precipitation for a while, and looking at the clouds even now, there isn't that many clouds. Beyond that, I couldn't get any measurements on the barometric pressure because I didn't have my kit with me, so this will be the end of my observation. Thank you for listening, and Hope you have a great day.